Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your POCO C85. So first, what we want to do is we want to check the headphones. So first, we're going to start off with the headphone jack. So basically, test the headphones with another device that also has the 3.5mm jack to make sure that they're working, and try and inspect your headphone jack for any damage. So as you guys know, the jack is right here, so we can just take a look at it and see if we see or notice something strange. If we do, then that might cause the issues, and you should either clean it or check if it's the visible damage. Now, if that didn't help, we can restart the phone. So just hold the power button and the volume up button, and then swipe down to reboot the device. So I'll see you guys once the phone is back. So now, after the phone restart, what we can do is we can try another pair of headphones with our device. So now we're not checking other headphones or testing our headphones, we're testing another pair, and we need to test it on our own device. So as you guys can see, we need to enter a password if we have one after the restart. Now what we can do is we can try and test it and see if they are working. If they are and your original headphones are not, then that might cause the issues with the original headphones. Now what you guys want to do is go over to the settings and check for the software updates, because that might fix a lot of issues, including headphones not being detected by the device. So go over to the about phone, and as you guys can see right here, we have the name of our OS. So for me, it's the HyperOS from Xiaomi. Now we can update it right here. If you have an update available, you will see this button, and I do have an update. I just won't do that on the video because I don't want to waste your guys' time. But you just click on update, and then it will check for updates to make sure that they're here, and you will have the button to download it right here. So you can download it, then just click the same button. It will be the install update, and everything should be good. Now moving on to the Bluetooth headphones, what you guys want to do is go over to the main page of the settings, go to Bluetooth, and now just imagine I had the Bluetooth on, and now what you guys want to do is turn the Bluetooth off. Wait a couple of seconds, so not like 1 minute, to don't waste your time. Enable it now after 5-10 seconds. And if that didn't help, what you guys can do is click on the device, click three dots. You will have the three dots right here on the device, and you will be able to forget them and then repair them again. So try and do that. After that, if that didn't help, make sure to charge the headphones fully to avoid any mistakes. And also, while avoiding things, you need to avoid any Wi-Fi or device interference. So for example, your headphones connecting to another device, because that's also the reason why they may not work. So that's about it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.